Welcome to our series on cat breeds. Today, we will talk about the Persian cat, the embodiment of exceptional beauty and calmness that delights cat lovers around the world. Let's find out what makes this breed special, what its needs and health aspects are, and how to properly care for it. The Persian cat is one of the oldest and most luxurious cat breeds, originating in ancient Persia, now Iran. It arrived in Europe in the 17th century and quickly became a favorite of the aristocracy. This breed is known for its long, silky coat, flat face, and very calm, gentle temperament. Persians love silence, cleanliness, and a close relationship with their owner. They are ideal for quiet homes. Persian cats have specific health challenges that need to be addressed. Brachycephalic breathing problems due to their flat faces. Some Persian cats have difficulty breathing or snore. Eye problems, frequent tearing, which needs to be cleaned daily. Polycystic kidney disease, PKD, a hereditary disease that can affect kidney function. Genetic testing is recommended. Regular veterinary care and daily coat hygiene are important. Persian cats need a diet that helps maintain a healthy coat, skin, and overall well-being. Protein is the most important component of their diet, especially meat-based protein. Fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, maintain coat shine and skin condition. Depending on the shape of the face, it is worth choosing dry food with specially shaped granules. Fresh water is essential. It is recommended to use a fountain to encourage drinking. The Persian cat is a symbol of perfect beauty, gentleness, and tranquility. With proper care, it will give you warmth, loyalty, and comfort every day. If you liked this video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.